Hi neighbors! I just wanted to cue you in on a little tip that I use for when I put in my seedlings. I've just put in some carrots and some spinach into one of my newer beds and for my fall crops. But people often say, even in the spring or the fall, they say, how do you keep the critters out of the beds? Because everyone knows that those little kitties and some other little critters love the nice dirt. They think you are making a little litter box for them when in actuality you're not at all, and you don't want them in there. That kind of fertilizer is not what you want in your garden bed. Ew, ick, it doesn't work the same, so don't think it's a good thing. So what I do is, instead of being mad at the cats all the time, which some people just like, those cats. Well, what I do is, what I've done are some easy tricks. After I have my bed on, my seeds in place and watered, I get, and you can see laying here, it's called a hex netting, a plastic hex netting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's just a tube. It comes in a roll like this. It's plastic, and it's I'll show you, maybe you can see, it's all upside down. It's just a netting of green plastic, and I like it. I can roll it out, I can lay it over, cut it, and then I can roll it back up after my plants start to get a little taller. They grow right through it. You can see, they can grow right through there, and then I be sure to pull it up before your plants get too large, otherwise it's just going to be stuck there. And you can water right over it. It's fantastic, and it's heavy enough. For windy times, I just put rocks on the edges of my bed so that it holds down and it doesn't blow off. Also, I've used bird netting. I can get that at Walmart, also Home Depot, Lowe's, those kind of places. The bird netting, you can't really see it very well on your bed or in your garden, so be careful because you can trip up really easily on this. And it's also pretty funny to watch when your cat gets in there and gets stuck, because he's like, because it likes to stick to anything. And as I pull it out, you can see, you can't really see it very well. It's almost invisible. So it's kind of funny that way, but you have to help them get out of that. They get out pretty easily. It's nothing inhumane. It's just like this for a minute. Anyway, I do really like this hex netting. It's been a good thing that I've enjoyed, and so there's a tip of the day for what to put over your seedlings to keep the critters out from using it as a litter box and losing all your seedlings, as I have done in the past. Lost my seedlings because of my little kitty. Just so grateful that I've made him a giant litter box, but that's not what it is. Anyway, so bird netting, and one of my favorites so far, the hex netting. Okay, go happy planting. See you next time. Oh, it's so awesome.